Good morning, guys. We are back with another video, and of course we're starting it off in my car before we go in and get this day started. We got a whole bunch of cool setups coming in, some winter setups for some Lexus, for Lexus. I think we got a Caddy coming in, and we got the Tundra coming in tomorrow. Actually, that'll be coming in today too. And the drop off, new rock stars, and then we got a couple other setups. So make sure you guys stay tuned. Stay all the way to the end. We got a little bit of a surprise for you guys, and of course, if you guys like the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and share this video, and hit us up with some comments too. Let us know what your favorite setup was for today, and if you guys have any questions regarding any of the setups, fitment, tires, pricing, you know where to get a hold of us. Let's get to it.
So are these going in? No, double check. Jonah, can you give a run through of this? Hey guys, Jonah's gonna give the run through on this one. We'll have to go back to butt crack fitment. I mean, what? So we're running vosos.
Toyo GS6s.
Okay.
235, 40, 19s all around. Normally it's a staggered fitment, but it's best to go same size all around for winter. 19 by 9.5 vosos from Nisha's winter lineup. They got a nice coating on them for winter. Black's going to be your best bet.
It's a great wall of fucking China here, man. Look at this shit. It's a fucking entire wall of China here. Alright guys, so we got this Toyota Tundra coming in. Pro 4. Oh no, actually it's not a Pro 4. It's a TRD. It's getting this ready lift. Let's see here. 4-inch SST kit. Give you guys a breakdown of what's in. Control arms. Got your box. And you know, I'll give you guys the actual breakdown of everything right here. Everything comes in it. And I'll link everything in the bottom of the description. Show you guys exactly what's in it. Yeah, let's do it before and after. Oh man, check this thing out, guys. BMW i8 hybrid. Calgary BMW. Man, this thing looks sick. Alright guys, Scotty just got the exhaust on the Fusion. Alright man, let it rip. Yo, that sounds awesome, man. Cleaning the intakes. There we go. Okay, just finished this Chevy. Got some XDs on there. These guys look like they're the Grenade. These are the customer supplied wheels. We're running some Ironman All countries. These are some 35, 12.5, 22s. This is a pretty aggressive setup for this truck, especially for the Chevs and the GMs of this year with the square wheel well. Sometimes it's a little bit harder to get a nice big tire wheel package in there, but this one, yeah, so as you guys can tell, plastic has been cut out, both front and back, painted so the metal doesn't rust away. But yeah, definitely, if you want to do it without any trimming, get a nice lift in there. Yeah, man. Comment below, what do you got? Got the RDRs on there. Those are 20x9s with a plus 12 offset. Wrapped on some General Grabbers. 275/55.
Set those, so.
And they're all balanced.
Where is this man's?
You think those will hold up better? Probably.
Gonna get those
Yeah. Hey guys, rough country front and rear bumpers, around 1500.
Drive off and we'll see it.
We'll pull them all off, show you guys what they actually look like. Not half bad quality. Boys got to put all the pods together. Light floor, 2 pods to the rear. There's the factory on me. This bumper is a real pain in our ass. Mostly Dave and Johnny's ass, so. Light bars hooked up. Johnny's going to the switches. What do you got there?
Those zip ties. They're used to put the wires up and tuck them away so you can't see them.
Alright guys, the boys just did this rough country front and rear bumper install. You want to hit the switch to see if the light bar turns on?
Yeah, I did. I do.
Turn it on. Yeah.
We gotta fix a little bit of plastic in the front because of this, but we'll fix this all like zip tied in.
So this guy has a dual cutouts in the rear. This customer is going to be getting custom exhaust on, so the 2 rears will be filled in without the sides. Yeah, they didn't put them on.
Yeah.
They're
They have a little 3M thing on them, so you just peel off and stick it wherever you want. But they're on the floor right now, okay? I don't know, that's where they left them, man. Those are super great.
See, that's how I had it set up, but they wanted it because the actual rating is out on this side.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah, and there's no rating on the other side. We can do it for you. You want to switch? Huh? Yeah?
Yeah.
Here, can you do it? Came out really good. Especially when you got the new rims and tires on it, right? Everything looks new, and then you gotta wash it all up. Alright guys, so just finish up this Dodge. Guys, it seems like Dodge days here at the shop today. Jonah's regular cab truck box. The truck that was just finished up here. 1500. We got another round. Just finished up there. That got the rough country bumpers. Thank you. Nice BMW setup just finished. BLOs. It's a BLO 8s. 5017s, some navigators. Hey guys, we'll finish the video off here in front of the Ram that we just finished up. If you guys liked the video, make sure you guys hit us up in the comments, hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one.